everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make okra stew, and it's going to be very simple and super delicious. So stay tuned until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. So if you don't know what okra is, this is the vegetable I'm talking about. It's okay if you usually go for grocery shopping. I know you've seen this somewhere. So this is okra and it's very healthy. So I hope you try out this recipe and make it and make the recipe, because you're going to enjoy this meal. Yeah, this recipe. So here I'll be using a couple of vegetables. I have tomatoes, okra, carrots, leek, onion, garlic and ginger, bay leaf, Royco cubes, cumin, black pepper, cooking oil, salt, and of course our meat. I'm going to be including meat in this recipe. So let me get straight into this recipe. So I'll move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to place a pan. My pan is very large and deep because it is stew, and add cooking oil. When your cooking oil is ready, I'm going to add in my onions. That is one large onion that I've diced. Stir. Cook the onions until soft, and when they are soft, I'm going to add in my cloves of garlic and ginger, which I've minced. Stir in and cook until fragrant. When ready, I'm going to add in my meat. I'm using steak. Then I'll stir in the meat so that it can be coated with the garlic and ginger and onion. Then I'm going to put my meat in a single layer so that it can sear. I'll give my meat a minute also, and in the process I'm going to add in a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Then I'm going to add in cumin seeds. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of cumin. Then I'm going to add 2 Royco cubes. I'm using the beef flavor. So as my meat sears, it soaks in the spices. Stir the meat. Once the meat is combined with the spices, I'm going to let it cook in its own juices for around 2 minutes. So this is how my beef is looking, and I wish you could smell this right now. It smells so good. So I've not added any water because I'm using steak and it's super tender. So to my meat, I'm going to add leek. Stir in. Then I'm going to give my meat a minute or two so that the leek can cook. I love the taste of leek, and I love how it helps the gravy to be thick. Yeah. Some people use leek to cook in place of onion, but me, I usually use onion and the leek. So I can't fry my meat with just plain leek. I'll have to add a red onion. At this point, so good. I'm going to add in carrots. Stir in the carrots. I love the aroma in the kitchen. It's so good. So to my meat, I'm going to add 3 blended tomatoes. Then I'm going to stir. Then I'm going to add in 1 bay leaf. This is a large one. If you have a small one, you can add 2. So at this point, my tomatoes are ready. So to my meat, I'm going to add my diced okra. Is it diced? Sliced okra. Then I'm going to stir. Once combined, I'm going to add 1 cup of water. I'll let this simmer for around 5 minutes on medium low. So I'm going to turn off the gas and serve. So I'm going to serve in my small bowl over here and show you how amazing it looks. So I'm going to be having mine with turmeric rice and it's going to be a hit. So this is how my dish is looking and it's super delicious. You can spot the carrots, the okra, the meat, and the gravy is super thick. So thank you so much for watching and I hope you try out this recipe at home and enjoy. Bye.